Grammy-winning singer Adele continues her concert marathon, which will last until June 2024. The 35-year-old singer revealed her beauty secret to keep her makeup intact while on stage. Grammy-winning singer Adele prefers a fluffy, curly blow-dry or a sophisticated bun for her hair at her concerts in Las Vegas. For her makeup, Adele uses dark smoky eyeshadow and thick black liquid eyeliner. The singer, who prefers a contoured look by using bronzer and blush on her face, uses lipsticks in nude tones. She revealed the secret of keeping her hair and makeup intact. According to the Telegraph's report, Adele revealed that she has the fans placed on stage to ensure that her hair and makeup remain intact. "The fan was a very nice gesture," Adele said. "Sometimes you see my hair look like it's holding a hairdryer up to my face, and it's so elegant. And it works for me. I love to sing from the heart and my face looks wet because I'm sweating," she said. The singer is about putting fans on stage. "So, that was a very nice little gesture. They installed a small fan on my stage for me. That's why I don't have a mustache from sweat anymore when I finish the concert. I sweat a lot because of the corset," Adele, whose Weekends with Adele concert series has been going on for weeks, revealed that she wore a corset while going on stage a few months ago, and admitted that she had groin fungus because she sweated a lot. Adele said, "Me and my team were talking about it, obviously. I use corsets to look fit in my shows, but I sweat a lot, and that sweat doesn't go anywhere. So basically, I'm just sitting on my own sweat. So my doctor diagnosed me with inguinal fungus," he said. Inguinal fungus, a common yeast infection among athletes, is a type of infection that causes itchy rashes on warm, moist areas of the body, such as the groin and inner thighs.